subject, then to be, and then object. I will give you some example. Subject Roy, to be, then simple present tense to be verb is am is are. And how can identify the simple present tense? Then Roy likes what's creation. Roy is a subject, tense is a simple present tense, and this is a object. We will change into passive voice, subject, and I give you notice from here, object as subject. Object as subject. How can I identify object? Then Roy likes what's creation. What Raj does what like? Then the answer is a what creation. What creation. That means this is a object. Next, passive voice, subject, object as a subject means subject as a object as a subject. Then what is the object? What's creation? How can you find that? Then ask the question. What Roy likes what's creation. Raj does what like? Then the answer give a what's creation. Then what's creation is a singular. Then simple present tense to be am is are. Then the what's creation is. Then participle like. Then like. What's creation is like. Then put a by. Then object. Simply object as a subject, then am is are, simple present tense, participles, then by, then object. Object means Roy. How can you find that? Passive voice sentences ask the question what's creation is like by who? Then the answer give a Roy. Then put the object. Let's simple present tense in active voice subject plus to be plus object. How can find a subject? Then make a question. Like Roy likes what creations? Who like what creation? Then this is the subject. And how can find your object when ask the question? Roy likes what creation? What does like Roy? Then answer gives is a word creation. Then in passive voice we will change into passive voice subject. Subject as a object as a subject. How can you find object? Then make a question. What does like Roy? Then answer it, the object is a word creation. Then put the first of all object as subject means word creation. then to be, to is, am is, are. Then what creation is singular, then I put is, and part participle like, then put by and object. Who like verb creation, then Roy. The object is Roy. So student, write down on your book. This is the form of active voice and passive voice in simple present tense. This is the form of the simple present tense. Write down on your book. Then further moving, I will give you some example. This is sentence is in a active voice. Nana enjoys Nani's company. Then change into passive voice. First of all, in active voice sentence is this is the subject. How can you find that? Who enjoy Nani's company? The answer is a Nana. Then another question is, what does Nana enjoy? That is object. This is the object and this is a subject. Then now you can find the subject and object. Passive voice, the object as a subject, then the object is Nani's company. Nani's company. Nani's company, then put the M is R, then put is part participle enjoyed. Nani's company is enjoyed, then put by object Nana. मैं आपका इसको हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके देता हूँ कि नाना एंजॉयस नानीज कंपनी मीन्स नाना को बहुत पसंद है नानी की कंपनी. देन हम उसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो नानीज कंपनी इज एंजॉयड बाय नाना
कि नानी जी कंपनी है वो एंजॉय की जाती है नाना द्वारा, मतलब कि नाना एंजॉयस नानीज कंपनी, नानीज कंपनी इज एंजॉयड बाय नाना। Managers sign, manager signs checks every day. Manager signs checks every day. Then as you usually, this is the subject and this is the object. Who signs checks every day? This is the subject, and what does manager sign? Then this is the object. Answer is a question. Checks, this is the plural in simple present tense, means checks are. Then part participle sign, checks are signed, then put the by managers, manager every day. Manager signs checks every day. Checks are signed by manager every day. This is the object as subject, and then this is the maker object. Another example. I can give you 10 examples so you can understand very well what is the active voice and passive voice and what we can change into active voice, passive voice. Ami takes breakfast in the morning. Ami takes breakfast in the morning. Then this is the subject. Who takes breakfast in the morning? The answer is Ami. Then Ami does what? Take in the morning. Then this is the object. The passive voice into object as a subject. This is the object as subject. Breakfast मतलब कि जो हमारा जो कर्म है वो क्या बन जाता है? तो कि कर्ता बन जाता है। इसका मतलब कि ऑब्जेक्ट एज अ सब्जेक्ट। ब्रेकफास्ट इज टेकन, breakfast is taken in the morning by Ami. Ami takes breakfast in the morning. There's the identify the simple present tense. Then first of all put object as a subject, means breakfast. Then to be is then part participle taken. Then in the morning, then put by and object means Ami. Breakfast is taken in the morning by Ami. Another example, Ketan understands your problems. Ketan understand your problem. You can identify the tense is a simple present tense. Then this is the subject and this is the object. Who understand your problems? Then this is the subject. And what does Ketan understand? This is the object. The first of all, into passive voice, object as a subject, your problems means this is the plural, then put are. Your problems are understood, part participle. Your problems are understood, then put by, and object means Ketan. Your problems are understood by Ketan. This is the object, to be M is R, and this is the part participle, put by and then object. Another example, I clean the room. I clean the room. The simple present tense, I clean the room, change into passive voice. This is the subject, the room is a object. What I do clean, then this is the object, and who clean the room, then is the subject. The object as a subject, into passive voice, the room is cleaned by me. I give you the chart, some of the chart. Personal pronoun, if the active voice in a sentence is I, then change into passive voice is a me. I clean the room. Passive voice, the room is cleaned by me. Second example, she reads the newspaper. She reads the newspaper. Who reads the newspaper? This is the subject, and she does. What does she read? What does she read? Then this is the object, passive voice, the newspaper. The newspaper is read by her. This is the object as a subject, then put the M is R and part participle, then put by and then her. In previous video we will discuss about the personal pronoun change into active voice to passive voice. If the sentence is started active voice she, then change into passive voice her. Second example, you like English language. You like English language. You like English language. Then who like English language? This is the subject. What do you like? Then the answer is the English language, means this is the object. Object is a subject, then put the English language. English language is liked by you. English language is liked by you. Radhika teaches this unit. Radhika teaches this unit. Who teaches this unit? Then this is the subject. And what does the Radhika teach? This unit. Put the object as a subject, means this unit. This unit is taught, A-U-G-H-T, taught by Radhika. This unit is a subject as object, is part participle, by, and then object. Payal enjoys childhood. Passive voice. This is the subject. Childhood as a object. Then put the object as a subject. The object is childhood. Childhood is enjoyed by Payal. Childhood is enjoyed by Payal. Write down on your notebook. Then further moving, present tense in negative sentences. Present tense in negative sentences. negative sentences present tense in negative sentences. अब हम जो करने जा रहे हैं मीन्स दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पूजा डज नॉट लाइक कुक. Pooja does not like cook means this is the present tense. The sentence is in negative. The Pooja does not like cook. We change into passive voice. How can find a subject who does not like cook? Then the answer is a Pooja does not like cook. And what Pooja does not like, then this is the answer, means this is the object. Then first of all put object as a subject, cook. Then present tense, cook is. Cook is not liked. Cook is not liked. Then put by Pooja. Cook is not liked by Pooja. Nothing changed into negative sentences. Pooja does not like cook means first of all put the object as subject. Then this is the simple present tense and this is the negative sentences. Then put the participle and then put by and then object. Another example of you do not like sweet potatoes. You do not like sweet potatoes. You do not like sweet potatoes. This is the subject, who do not like sweet potatoes, and what do not like you. Then this is the answer of sweet potatoes means object. Sweet potatoes are not liked by you. Sweet potatoes are not liked by you. Write down on your book. Then students, we discuss about in present tense in negative sentences. Further moving on our next video. I hope you understand very well. Okay, bye.